how to reveal and hidden apps on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on home screen. So you will see home screen is here, so click on home screen. Now here, scroll down and click on hide apps and home and app screen. So after click on this, so if you want to hide apps, so you will see click on apps, you will see apps is hide. So if you want to reveal apps, so click on this minus icon. So after click on this minus icon, you will see apps is reveal. So if you want to hide, so click on apps. So if you want to remove and reveal, so click on this minus icon. So after the process, click on done. Go back to home screen. Refresh phone. So that's how you can reveal or hide apps on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.